This is it. The water of sight.
In every realm, there's a reflection. If the water spirits accept me, I can return to my dream and find what I missed.
Men who enter that water, the legends don't end well.
A hacker who's faster than Ultron? He could be anywhere. And is this just the center of everything? I'm just a guy looking for a needle in the world's biggest haystack.
How do you find it?
Pretty simple. You bring a magnet. Oh, I'm decrypting nuclear codes and you don't want me to. Come and get me.
Wake up!
Thor! Extinction.
Cellular cohesion will take a few hours, but we can initiate the consciousness stream. We're uploading your cerebral matrix. Now.
I can read him. He's dreaming.
I wouldn't call it dreams. It's Ultron's base consciousness. Informational noise. Soon.
How soon? I'm not being pushy.
We're imprinting a physical brain. There are no shortcuts, even if your magic gem
How could you?
How could I what?
You said we would destroy the Avengers. Make a better world.
It will be better.
When everyone is dead.
That is not... The human race will have every opportunity to improve.
And if they don't?
Ask Noah.
You're madmen.
There are more than a dozen extinction-level events before even the dinosaurs got theirs. When the Earth starts to settle, God throws a stone at it. And believe me, he's winding up. We have to evolve. There's no room for the weak.
And who decides who's weak?
Life. Life always decides. There's incoming. The Quinjet. We have to move.
That's not a problem.
Wait, guys! Right? They'll understand. When they see, they'll understand. I just need a little more time.